and password fields for a registration page, and we are able to send the data back to the console, to the component. So what the component might want to do is send this username and password to an API that is waiting for this information. And indeed we have such API. There it is. It's register, and it's mapped to a post API register at port 3000. So let's do that. Let's over here, what we're going to do is instead of doing this alert, right? Notice that the server is waiting for the username and password. We go to register, is waiting for the username and password, right, as part of the body, right? So it's going to contain all the data to create the new object, and it's going to just insert it into the database, right? And then it's going to make us the current user, right? So let's do that here. We're going to go fetch. Now, typically you would do this inside of a service. Right now I'm doing, for brevity, I'm doing it right here in the function, but that's a bad practice, right? We would instead have it in a separate TypeScript file. So we're going to go to local host 3000 API register. And this is going to be a post. So method is going to be a post. We're going to send over in the body, in the body, we're going to JSON stringify and send over both the username and the password, and the content type is going to be JSON. Okay. Once we do that, right, if this is successful, right, it's going to come back with a response. With the actual user that we just created into the database, and here's the actual user, or the new user, right? And here, one of the things I would like to do is, just print it out to see if the user existed. So we can do console log actual user. Okay, so let's try it out. It's here in the register. Let's display the console here, and let's register. Let's register as Jose. Right. Again, notice on the from server side, notice that Jose did come back, and in the database, you should be able to view in the Mongo that Jose was just added, okay, in the database.